Hello, I'm Dr. Jeffrey Spiegel, facial plastic surgeon in Boston, Massachusetts. And I'd like to speak with you a little bit about revision rhinoplasty. What does that mean? That means when you've had nose shaping surgery or a nose job and things didn't go exactly the way you wanted and you'd like to have it adjusted. Well, that makes sense because we need to get things to where you'd like them to be. That was the goal in the first place. Well, first of all, if you've had a rhinoplasty done and it didn't come out exactly as you hoped, don't feel bad. You didn't necessarily make the wrong choice with your doctor or do something wrong. In the best of hands, in expert hands, they estimate the need for a revision to be approximately 11%. So something like 1 in 9 people finds that something needs to be redone. Here at Advanced Facial Plastics of Chestnut Hill in Boston, our revision rate borders around 4%, so we've been very lucky to have excellent results with some of the most complex surgeries. Most of the time when people do need something adjusted, it's just a little bit of scar tissue that we can treat with a small injection in the office. One of the key questions I get asked when people come to me who've had a nose job somewhere and feel like it wasn't perfect is, how do I know things are going to go right this time? Well, of course you don't. But you want to be able to find a surgeon who has experience doing revision rhinoplasties, who understands what you want and who listens. That's part of the problem a lot of the time, is that people will tell me that the surgery they had resulted in a nose that looks good but wasn't exactly what they wanted, and they weren't certain that their surgeon listened. That's the key, is communication. We want to listen to you, discuss photographs, look at noses you like, review what works for you, what doesn't, and what's possible, and make sure that we can get you as close as possible to your ideal situation. After you've had a revision rhinoplasty, sometimes it can be done in the office, by the way, but after you've had surgery, there are a series of minor exercises of a sort that we'd like you to do. Small massaging techniques, certain ways of treating your nose for the next several weeks and months that can help it to heal just perfectly. And we really stick with you from the beginning to the end. It can take more than a year, sometimes 2 years or longer, until we see how things have settled just right. And we really stick with it to make sure that every step of the way things are going as planned. So if you have questions about revision rhinoplasty, we're happy to try and answer them. You can send us photos of your nose. We see people from around the world who travel to see us here in Boston. You can get contact information through our website at drspiegel.com. That's drspiegel.com. Or feel free to call us at 617-566-3223, and we'll be very happy to discuss with you what's possible.